Rural roads of Sunamganj district have been severely affected by the flood that have started from the day of Eid al-Azha. The roads renovation of the district would cost Taka 600 crore. Meanwhile, the loss in agricultural and fisheries sector in the district is around Taka 90 crore. At least 150-kilometer roads of Sunamganj, which are under water, has been damaged, and at least Taka 400 crore is required for its repair. Meanwhile, Taka 265 crore will be spent in regarding the repairing work for the damaged roads of the Roads and Highways Department. Because of the damaged roads and highway, the locals are suffering a lot. Meanwhile, Textile and Jute Minister Jahangir Kabir Nanak has said that the government is working to control the situation while inspecting the flood-affected areas and distributing relief on Tuesday.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।